Alright, we got a 99 Tacoma small engine knock, supposedly carbon deposit. So we're going to treat it with some seafoam. Step 1, seafoam through a vacuum line intake. Here's your knock. Small knock, but let's see what it does. Seafoam, 5 1/3 ounce. Dave, come up here. Dave. Get it in there. Let it sit 5 minutes with the motor off.